For parents that are considering pre-K for their students, we know that early learning is so important, not only for them to start with their academic skills and those early literacy and early math skills, but to have an opportunity to come into school and learn those school social skills. We're just really excited we're able to offer that with our pre-K programs in our elementary schools.
So the importance of a pre-K education is to get them ready for kindergarten. So we do a lot of social and emotional work just as much as we do academic work in the classroom. And that's learning how to be with your peers and working through our feelings and how we handle certain situations.
We were kind of transfers into Slate Run. This is not our home school, and staying here was actually extremely important to us because it's really nice for them to have consistency and routines.
Our pre-K open house for all of our elementary schools will be on Tuesday, January the 14th from 5:30 to 6:30, and that is all 9 of our elementary schools here in New Albany-Floyd County. We're looking forward to meeting our newest students and that are going to be with us in pre-K for the coming 25-26 school year.